भारत के यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी मणिपुर आने वाले हैं। On 13 September, first he would be arriving at around 11:30 a.m. at चुड़ाचांदपुर। चुड़ाचांदपुर में लैंड करने के पश्चात सर्वप्रथम जो इंटरनली डिस्प्लेस्ड पीपल हैं, आईडीपीज हैं चुड़ाचांदपुर में, उनके साथ माननीय प्रधानमंत्री की भेंट होगी। वो उनके साथ इंटरैक्ट करेंगे, बच्चों के साथ, महिलाओं के साथ, बुजुर्गों के साथ और जो वहां युवक है उनके साथ। After arriving around 11:30 a.m. in Churachandpur, the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji would meet the IDPs, the internally displaced people of Churachandpur region. He would be meeting the children, the women folk, the elders there, would talk to them and would have a dialogue with them. Thereafter, after meeting the IDPs, the Honorable Prime Minister will visit the Peace Ground in Churachandpur, and at the Peace Ground, there would be foundation laying ceremony of various projects catering to projects across the state. IDPs से मिलने के पश्चात माननीय प्रधानमंत्री चुड़ाचांदपुर के पीस मैदान में शिलान्यास करेंगे बहुत सारी ऐसी प्रोजेक्ट्स का जो पूरे राज्य में प्रोजेक्ट्स फैले हुए हैं, जिसका मैं अभी विस्तार से जानकारी भी दूंगा। उन प्रोजेक्ट्स का शिलान्यास करेंगे, फाउंडेशन लेइंग सेरेमनी करेंगे और वहां जो हमारे बंधु मौजूद होंगे उनको एड्रेस भी करेंगे। द ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर विल ऑल्सो एड्रेस द गैदरिंग एट द पीस फील्ड इन चुड़ाचांदपुर ड्यूरिंग द फाउंडेशन लेइंग सेरेमनी। Thereafter, the Honorable Prime Minister will reach Imphal at around 2 p.m. उसके पश्चात माननीय प्रधानमंत्री लगभग 2 बजे दोपहर को इम्फाल पहुंचेंगे। And on reaching Imphal, he will go to Kangla, and the first thing that he would do is he would be interacting with the IDPs at the Kangla. जो internally displaced people यहाँ हैं, बच्चों के साथ, माताओं के साथ, भाइयों के साथ, बुजुर्गों के साथ माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी वार्तालाप करेंगे, उनकी बातों को सुनेंगे और उनसे बातचीत करेंगे। The Honorable Prime Minister in Imphal at the Kangla would be first interacting with the IDPs in the Imphal region, and after the interaction with the IDPs, he would inaugurate certain projects at the Kangla ground in the presence of the public. आईडीपी से इंटरेक्शन के पश्चात कांगला मैदान में ही पब्लिक की उपस्थिति में कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स का, जिनका मैं अभी विवरण भी रखूंगा, उसका उद्घाटन अर्थात इनॉग्रेशन करेंगे। आफ्टर द इनॉग्रेशन द ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर विल एड्रेस द पब्लिक प्रेजेंट इन द कांगला। उद्घाटन के पश्चात माननीय प्रधानमंत्री कांगला में उपस्थित जनसभा को भी संबोधित करेंगे। आई वुड नाउ गो towards the main theme, that is Vikasit Bharat, Vikasit Manipur. What are the developmental projects which will go for a foundation laying ceremony, and what are the projects which would be inaugurated? So first we will go for the projects for the foundation stone laying ceremony. I'll just read out the details so that you also have what are the projects and what are the amounts allocated to each of the project. Number 1, Manipur Urban Roads Drainage and Asset Management Improvement Project worth 3,647 crore. Second, Manipur Infotech Development Project, MIND Project, with infrastructure set up at Imphal and skilling and employment generation across the state worth 550 crores. Working Women Hostel at 9 locations across the state worth 142 crores. Fourth, providing super speciality and assured speciality health care in remote and hill districts worth 105 crores. Infrastructure development in and around the polo ground worth 30 crore. Sixth, strengthening of the 120 high schools and higher secondary schools in all the 16 districts worth 134 crores. Seventh, installation of grid-connected SPV power plant at 2 power substations and installation of 5 megawatt AC floating SPV power plant worth 33 crores. 8. Various projects pertaining to rural connectivity, education and tourism in various parts of Manipur worth 102 crore. Construction of multi-purpose indoor stadium at Khuman Park Sports Complex, Imphal worth 36 crore. 10th, upgradation of NH 102A Package 1, 502 crores. 11th, upgradation of NH 102A Package 3 worth 778 crores. 12th, second landing of road from Choitar to Maran Khulem section of NH 202 under Bharatmala Pariyojana Package 5 in Ukhrul, 564 crores. 13th, two laning of road of the section of NH 202 under Bharatmala Pariyojana Package 6 in Ukhrul, 555 crores. And the last one, that is the 14th one, for the foundation laying ceremony would be the two laning of the road of the section NH 202 under Bharatmala Pariyojana, which is Package 7 in Ukhrul, 165 crore. So all this adds up to 7,344 crores. So foundation laying ceremony, शिलान्यास जो होगा वो 7,300 करोड़ से अधिक का पूरे राज्य के लिए फाउंडेशन डाला जाएगा, शिलान्यास किया जाएगा। और अब मैं आपके सामने विवरण रखना चाहूंगा उन प्रोजेक्ट्स का जिनका इनॉग्रेशन अर्थात उद्घाटन होगा। प्रोजेक्ट्स फॉर इनॉग्रेशन टुमारो, 1,203 crores worth projects would be inaugurated tomorrow. And what are the projects? Number 1, Manipur Bhavan at Dwarka, New Delhi. So something out of Manipur also. Dwarka, New Delhi में जो Manipur Bhavan बना है, worth 164 crores, that would be inaugurated. Secondly, Manipur Bhavan at Salt Lake, Kolkata. कोलकाता के सॉल्ट लेक में जो मणिपुर भवन बना है वर्थ 42 crores, उसका भी उद्घाटन कल होगा। Development of Western River Front of Imphal River Phase 2 at Imphal worth 56 crores. Development of Mall Road Phase 2 at Imphal worth 24 crores. New police headquarters at Mantripukri, Imphal, 101 crores. ITSEZ Building 1 at Mantripukri, Imphal, 114 crores. Civil Secretariat at Mantripukri, 538 crores. IMA Market at 4 locations, Technopol, Nonne, Palel and Moirang, worth 24 crores. Development of Laishang Hidden Cultural and Heritage Park at Imphal West, 13 crores. Infrastructure development of 5 government colleges of Imphal West, Thoubal and Kakching under College Phagastani Mission, 13 crores. 11th, construction of 4-lane bridge over Irang River, NH 38 at Nonne district, worth 49 crores. 12th, infrastructure creation for district administration at Kangjong district, worth 15 crores. Infrastructure creation of district administration at Kakching district, 12 CR. 14th, Ekalavya Model Residential School, that is EMRS at Tokpa Village, Loktak Project, Churachandpur, 16 crores. 15, construction of institutional building with staff quarters, CHC, Bishnupur, that is 7 crores. And construction of institutional building with staff quarters, Saikot CSC, Churachandpur, 7 crores. Construction of hostel for paramedicals and allied sciences at Jenims, Imphal, worth 6 crore. All this adds up to 1,203 crore worth projects कल inaugurate होंगे। मैं सभी से निवेदन करूंगा कि आइए, सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका प्रयास, सबका विश्वास, इस मंत्र के साथ हम आगे बढ़े।